Well, it's this time of the year. It's October, middle of October. And guess what? I'm again in my basement, bending. And we'll have to decorate the house. Halloween.
Right here, on this ground where we are standing, holding dreams with open hands against the sky. So clear, it's better than we planned it. This rising sun was meant for you and I. We see it now.
Well, it's starting to rain. But let's bring everything up anyway and see how it holds and what we can do. So all those things are stored down here. And a little new addition that I have there, but everything in boxes and everything I have to bring upstairs. Ooh, Edward and Frank are hiding below there. Let me see if I can open them up. Well, we're here. Time to let them loose. Another year has passed. Oh, what did I do to them? Frank and Edward, those two guys, been with me for quite some time, but still do what they're supposed to do, and that's scaring little kids. Hi, Frank, Edward. Hi, Frank. Looks like you're still doing okay, huh? Yeah. Need to get them going. As a new guy, we have, here's his hands. So we'll see how that goes. These are all for the torches. And another hand. Candelabra. Oh, haven't given him a name yet, but that's what he looks like. Not bad, huh? We'll see where we go, what we're going to do with him. Lots to do. Lots to carry in a basement, and that's never big enough for me. So, this is part of a basement, obviously. All the decorations we need to bring up. And there is my other one. So, let's start it. So, still lots to do. It seems like it never stops, but and I get some of that stuff out. Now, this is a 121-year-old house. If you do see something while I'm gone, something happens, leave it in the description below. I think whoever's here is good. The house has incredible good vibe and feelings, good energy, I should say. So, but leave something, float by. No, after all, it's Halloween. See anything? then we continue with the mummies. Not sure if opening the doors out. Raggedy looking doors, but I might. The trees, I don't know. Anyway, let's see. Follow along. Whew. As you can see, it's a great Sunday workout. But all that's left is the fences, which are 6 pieces, six pieces, and just some skeleton heads. And we're done here. So then it has to start upstairs, decorating. Would be simple. Can you see? I'm starting to sweat. It's also the rain, but some of the stuff is gone. Got my camera going there. Maybe it captures some things that we thought would never be on there, but box-wise, it's not that bad. The boxes are easy to carry out, thank God. But the fences, which we have 6 major pieces, as you may remember, or if you haven't seen my channel, if you're new to this, I got from my neighbor Jason and Leslie, our besties from England, and they ripped down their old fence, and I kept 6 of those pieces, but they're stored all year round in my basement, so I don't know. We'll see. Let's continue. That's our new addition for this year. So it's 7 feet tall, as you can see, much taller than I am, and then 6 feet. So not quite sure where I'm going to be putting him, but he's going to be around here somewhere. So, and as you can see, it's coming together. It's been a few hours, but there's just so much more to do. But anyway, we need a name for him. Let me know what you think. Leave it in the description below what he should be called. We got a few, but no name for him yet. I was able to put him up, so he's out and about. Frank is here, and so is Edward. Probably not going to stay here. I'm going to move him down into the grass. But we got Philip. Need a name for her too. And she's a little scary. Anyway, let me know. Leave it in the description below what you think we should call the butler and her. Annabelle, maybe? Let me know.
My brain hurts. From my laboratory in the castle east to the monster bedroom where the vampires feast, the ghouls all came from there. That castle cost us